Hello, in this video I'm going to show you a quick hike we did on our last trip to Mexico. During our most recent trip to Sayulita, we went on a hike to Playa Las Cuevas. The hike starts at the north end of Avenue de Palma. We took our golf cart and parked along the street where it did end. You'll see the path right past the green post placed to prevent vehicles from driving on the path. The hike is a loop that is about a mile and a half. The path is well defined and easy to walk. There are multiple paths and you can get turned around. On the way to the beach, when you come to a fort, just keep to the left toward the beach. You'll know you're on the right path once you cross a paved driveway which is almost halfway to the beach. On the way back, just do the opposite by taking the right path and you will end up back where you started. The beaches have breathtaking views, and you pretty much have them all to yourself. We exited out of the jungle onto Playa Malpaso. The path down to the beach was pretty steep, but wasn't too bad. There are no services at Malpaso or Playa Las Cuevas, so you need to bring any refreshments you would like to enjoy while there. Wait, is there not a beach right on the other side? Is there a beach right here? Oh.
Look at this!
This past Christmas I got a drone and decided to break it out. Unfortunately, I haven't had much opportunity to practice since it's been pretty windy at home. Everything was going good until a gust of wind came on and put it into the bushes on top of a hill. And it wasn't just any bushes, they of course were thorn bushes. We were able to rescue it, but the quick drone flight was over. The path back to Avenue de Palma starts off pretty steep, but quickly levels out. The views along the path are spectacular. You would get views of Playa Las Cuevas, Playa Malpaso, and Sayulita on the way back. All in all, this is a very enjoyable hike and a break from the crowds in Sayulita. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos. Goodbye.